Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show we have a part 1 of our pattern well and setup calibration. In case you don't watch that and you want to clarify some doubt, you should be able to go watch before coming and watch this one. Now we have already finished our calibration, our pattern well and setup. We are done with that. So now we are on calibration setup. After pattern well setup, you come to calibration. After calibration, you come select here this ultrasound. I don't know if you can see it. Here you select velocity. Normally we start with velocity. You can see here we'll be having V, W and S. I don't know if you can see my hand. V, W and S here is on yellow color. So when you finish the calibration, it should show you green color. So now we selected velocity. Normally we start with velocity start. Okay, here it's asking us if we are using a depth. We will use a radius V1 block. Okay, if you are using V1 block, you already know that your first backward echo at the radius will be 100, right? So we are having 100 already. Our second backward echo is supposed to be 200. So I don't know if you like me to show you how to do it with V2 block. Also I can do that, but for now we'll be using V1 block. If you want me to show you on with the V2 block, let me know on the comment below. So our first backward echo is going to be 100. Our second backward echo is going to be 200. So next, the angle, you are going to take any angle, any center angle. Center should be at any angle at the middle. So 50. Okay, it's not clear, the angle is, so I'm taking angle 50, let's say 57. Okay, what you are doing, you see that your angle is moving. My gain here is okay, my start is okay, my range, since I want to see my second backward echo, at least should be, since second backward echo is going to be at 200, at least should be 210 or 210. Okay, 205 is okay. Then you can see my second backward echo is appearing. Next, my gate should start at, since my first backward echo is 100, should start at somewhere 95 so that it can cover the echo. Okay, you can see. Then my width is okay. Then my threshold or my level should be very low, 50, so not 55, so that I should be able to cover it. So now I'm going to on the light so that you can see how I am doing it. Okay, let me shift. Okay, yes. Okay, now what you are doing, okay, you put your couplant. I'm using starch. You'll be moving. Okay, I don't want to block the view. So you'll be moving. Now you can see my echo is coming up as I'm moving. And here, my beam part or my sound part is at 99 point something. And this is my amplitude. So what I'm going to, now it's 100, right? So I'm going to take 100, and since I already know my beam part or my sound part is 100, so I'm going to take 100 and get the highest amplitude. I'm seeing here, I'm seeing 16 at 100. Okay, let me get that 100. Okay, let's see if I can be able to get that 16 again. Okay, after that I'll come to get point. So now I'll take my gate. I'll take my gate to, since I know my second backward echo is going to be at 200, at least 90, 195, 195 at least, so that my gate will come. Okay, so now because my echo is not coming up, I'll increase my gain. So that my second backward echo should be coming up. So now let me move. Still, what I will do, okay, my echo still is not. Let me increase my gain. So now you can see that I'm seeing 201, but I want 200 exact. Okay, now I'm getting 200 at amplitude 5.9. Let me see if I can get anything higher. So it seems like that 5.1. Okay, I'm seeing 6. Let me see if I can get that 6. 5.9 is okay. I took. So now I'm getting my velocity calibration to be 3,251. So we already know that my velocity is 3,240. So plus or minus of 20 is accept. So let me show you. Let me compare. Invisible. See 3,251. That's what I calculated. Okay, you can still accept. So you accept. So before I accept, you can see that your velocity here is yellow color. So from the moment I just accept, to turn to green. That's mean my velocity calibration is done. So one thing more to understand is that, or to remember, is that whenever you are doing velocity calibration, make sure that the block you are going to use at the side is fabricated the same material on the one that you are going to inspect. If not, it is just better to use the machine on. You don't need to calibrate. Let me say it again. Before you do your velocity calibration, you should make sure that the block that you are going to use is a block that have been fabricated with the project or the material you'll be inspecting. So at that moment, your velocity will be almost close to what you are going to inspect. But if not, it's better not to calibrate the velocity. Thank you so much. Have a good day.